Hi, I'm Megan Wilkerson.
Hello, I am Vitali Maldonado, and the title of our presentation is Incorporating Immersive Learning into Biomolecular Engineering Laboratories using Virtual Reality.
The COVID-19 pandemic has shown that the need for quality methods to deliver remote course material is more important than ever, especially for lab courses where the hands-on experience is an important component. Students have shown that they are unhappy with the methods currently used to deliver their courses, and we think that VR could be a way to improve their remote lab experience as it'll create a more immersive environment for students to feel as if they are present in lab, which will be more engaging and lead to greater learning gains.
Okay, so for the methods of the study, we first requested the approval of the IRB. After the approval was given, 62 students were distributed with regular 2D videos for the first 3 labs of the Biomolecular Engineering course. These labs contain lab protocols and course theory. After that, students were distributed with a survey to measure how they viewed those labs as a learning tool. After that, headsets were distributed individually, and students were asked to watch the following videos with the headsets because they would be in virtual reality format. Feedback from the students was obtained through the TAs during one of the lab meetings. And finally, data was collected, stored, analyzed, and graphed during the whole process. The videos were filmed using Insta360 EVO camera, even the 2D videos, but then they were converted into the 2D format. For the editing part, Adobe Premiere Pro, the version 2020 was used, and Google Cardboards were used as the headset because they're an affordable option and students can put their cell phones on it. Finally, the videos were distributed through a link in Blackboard that guided the students into an external video in YouTube.
Results to a survey regarding the 2D lab videos showed that students rated on a 5-point Likert scale an average of 3.492 and 3.034, or an average neutral rating for both the videos as an acceptable alternative to in-person labs and their confidence to apply the skills shown in the videos in person. Many students responded that they would like the videos to be shorter or broken up into segments, as it was difficult for some to focus for the duration of the lab videos. And a great majority indicated that they would rewatch sections of the videos multiple times so they could get all the information possible from them. Responses to this survey showed that these videos were adequate in delivering course material. However, students would prefer if they could be in person in the labs to get this hands-on experience. Students requested that we have shorter videos. This could due to the fact that in regular in-person labs, students are usually performing these tasks as they go through their lab rather than just watching them in a video. And as it was difficult to focus because of the length of the video without any interaction. We think VR can improve the remote lab experience as it will create a more immersive environment for students to feel as if they're present in lab, feeling there should be a closer feeling to when they're actually doing lab rather than just watching these skills on video. We're currently collecting data as the students watch the VR videos, and we are getting feedback from students to try and improve these. VR is promising as it should create a more engaging experience. Students allowed to be immersed in the video and able to look around the environment as they would in labs. And even if students are unable to watch the videos on a headset, uploading these VR videos to YouTube allows students to still be engaged and interact with the videos on a desktop computer. Thank y'all for your time.
Thank you.